What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. This is episode number 3, and in today's show we're going to be talking about how I started a tech company in 2 weeks. And if you're new to this channel, we are all about building businesses here, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video for the algorithm, and leave a comment. Ask any questions you want, maybe I'll answer it in the future video. Who knows? Help me out, grow this channel, do those things. Let's get started. All right, for those that don't know, I own a cleaning company. We do residential and commercial cleaning here in Massachusetts, where I live. And I started this company about 3 years ago. And one of the things I really wanted in my cleaning business was online booking. I wanted to have custom online booking on my website, like the big franchises or big tech companies like Handy had on their website. But I couldn't find anything online that allowed me to create a custom branded online booking form for my cleaning business. So I'm like, you know what? I'll create it myself. I wanted a way to create something that was fast, and so I decided to go the no-code route. And to be completely honest with you, I didn't even know this type of software existed, this no-code platforms that exist now. I feel like there's so many of them now on the market. I didn't know anything about them, but after some research, I realized that maybe this would be the best way for me to create this for my company. And the platform that I used was Bubbleio. I tried a few other ones and I looked into other options and alternatives when it comes to no-code platforms, but they all lacked something or didn't really have the features that I was looking for when it came to building out my online booking product for my business. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Bubbleio, it's a no-code platform that allows you to create any website, web app, whatever it is that you think of without having to code. It's a very complex website that has a lot of built-in, really great features that allows you to create really whatever you're looking for. And the reason I chose no-code is because I wanted to go fast. Whenever you're coding a web application, there's so many things that get in the way of you actually launching. So I signed up for Bubbleio and created the online booking that I was looking for. And I put it on my website and it worked very well. I even built a calculator that I used in my business today to give quotes to customers over the phone. All I do is input their information and it gives me the price, and I give that to the customer over the phone. It's very easy. And also one of the ways that franchises like the Maids does their quoting as well. Now, I created this for my company and I've been using it for my own business for a while. And it's such a big part of my business that I thought maybe other people would like to use it as well. Other cleaning businesses. So I thought maybe I'm going to create a version of it that other cleaning businesses can use, and maybe I can turn it into a little business. So I started building out features that other cleaning businesses could use, and I used Bubbleio to build everything. In reality, what I did was build a product that I knew I wanted for my own company that I knew other businesses would want to use as well. Once I got a product that was ready to go, it was the minimal viable product. I knew that it had all the features that it needed in order for it to go and be shared with people so that they can try it and I can get some feedback. I needed a way to market it. And I've been posting on TikTok for a while now and building up a little audience, a little following there of cleaning businesses and home service businesses. And I'm like, you know what? I'll create a video about my company, Yobo, and I'll share it with everyone and see how they react to it. So I made a video about the calculator part of the application, put it up on the TikTok, and people went crazy. They loved it and they started asking how they can get into it. And a lot of people went to the website and signed up. Over 1,000 people signed up for that early version of the calculator online booking web app that I had created, and it blew my mind. I'm like, this is crazy. There's so much opportunity here. This is definitely something that people want, and now it's time for me to build this out and create even better features and a better platform for people to use. Over 1,600 companies have already signed up for Yobo, and it blows my mind every single day when I look at that number that many people have signed up to Yobo to try it out. Slowly but surely, we are converting more and more people every single day to paid users so that they can try out even more features. Also, if you own a cleaning business or any type of home service business or any type of service business at all that needs online booking, go try out Yobo. Tell me what you think. Leave it in the comment sections. I love the feedback. It lets me create a better product that we can all use to make our businesses better. So go check that out. Link is in the description. As this grows and scales, I'm going to have to obviously create a platform that's actually coded, and I'll need developers and everything like that. But for the time being, Bubbleio has proven to be a really great platform that allows me to really build out what I want to build. But it's not easy. Please do not think that it's just like you hopping on Bubbleio and you're gonna get it right off the bat. It's not like that. It's a very complex platform that allows you to build in so many different ways. It has so many different features and so many different tools and resources that you can tap into. So it's definitely gonna take some time for you to figure it out. But if you're really interested in building out a tech business for your own self, or you're looking to build a tool of some sort for your own business to make yourself more efficient and help you scale your business, then definitely check it out. It's bubble.io. Now, I spent 2 weeks building out this web application before I launched it and then shared it on TikTok. And for these 2 weeks, I obsessed. I was designing and building this thing out day and night. And there were a lot of times where I was lost and didn't know how to do something, but they had a lot of resources I can tap into, and then learned or figured it out on my own, and then build out what I needed to build out. But it was very difficult, and it took a lot of time and a lot of patience and dedication, determination, all of that. So my goal is to keep building this out, keep getting more businesses to sign up, keep building out more features that will help people build their business. Because guys, we live in an online digital world, and if your business isn't using online tools, digital tools to help you grow your business, get more customers, make more money, market better, then you're not really gonna have a chance, because the people that do are the people that are gonna go forward. And that's why I'm building this in the first place. And I've been very lucky to actually be able to get some amazing feedback from people that are using it, because it's really been helping create the platform. We do have revenue, we do have clients, we do have a good number of users paying us every month for this application, which is awesome. The idea is slowly being validated every day. And if you're watching this video and you're trying to start your own business, or you're trying to start your own tech company, whatever it may be, and you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I'm gonna answer some questions in the future videos that I make. Share a little about what you're trying to build, and if you want any advice that I can help out with, leave it in the comment section. Other than that, that's the video, that's my story, and I'll keep you guys updated. Subscribe so you keep following me on this journey of me building out this tech company and also my cleaning business, which is working hand in hand with everything. Or in our office right here. So if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one.